Hey Vikas, I've been reading about diversification. Do you think buying more funds helps protect against losses?
Diversification is often seen as a way to manage risks. By spreading investments across different asset classes, sectors, or geographies, it can reduce the impact of any one area underperforming.
Oh, so it's like not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. It helps spread the risk, making a portfolio less dependent on the performance of a single fund.
But doesn't that mean I miss out on big returns from a single top performing fund?
Diversification aims to balance risks and returns. While it might not maximize gains from one high-performing fund, it can provide growth opportunities across different market conditions.
That makes sense. Diversification seems to offer a balanced approach.
It does. Just ensure you review your financial goals before investing.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.